Hello students, so today we will learn about the names of 60 different types of birds. There are 10,000 species of birds. Birds have feathers which help them in flight, temperature regulation and display. Wings, a beak with no teeth, and can fly in the sky as they are light weighted. They build nests and lay eggs. Birds can also migrate to other countries to protect themselves from harsh climatic conditions. Birds are great communicators as they can chirp and sing to each other and also can warn each other of any danger. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of birds that we see. So, without any further delay, let's begin with the video. This is a dove, D-O-V-E, dove. This is a kingfisher, Kingfisher, kingfisher. This is a macaw, M-A-C-A-W, macaw. This is a hummingbird, Humming, B-I-R-D, hummingbird. This is a robin, R-O-B-I-N, robin. This is a blue jay, B-L-U-E-J-A-Y, blue jay. This is a swan, S-W-A-N, swan. This is a sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is a parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is an owl, O-W-L, owl. This is a seagull, S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. This is an eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is a peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is a grey-crowned cranes, G-R-E-Y-C-R-O-W-N-E-D-C-R-A-N-E-S, grey-crowned cranes. This is a chaffinch, C-H-A-F-F-I-N-C-H, chaffinch. This is a cardinal, C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L, cardinal. This is a flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. This is a hen, H-E-N, hen. This is a woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Asian green bee-eater, A-S-I-A-N-G-R-E-E-N B-E-E-E-A-T-E-R, Asian green bee-eater. This is a duck, D-U-C-K, duck. This is a penguin, Penguin. Penguin. This is a raven. 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 This is a heron. 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 This is a pigeon. 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 This is an ostrich. 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 This is a vulture. 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 This is a falcon. 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 This is a turkey. 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 This is a nightingale. 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 This is a quail. 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 This is a cuckoo. 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 This is a magpie. 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 This is a partridge. 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 This is a goldfinch. 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 This is a pelican. 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 This is a crow. 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 This is a swallow. 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 This is a spoonbill crane. Spoonbill. Spoonbill crane. This is a hawk. Hawk. This is a cormorant. 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 This is a hornbill. 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 This is a guinea fowl. Guineafowl. Guinea fowl. This is a canary. 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 This is a goose. 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 This is a toucan. 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 This is a tailor bird. Tailor. Tailor bird. This is a pheasant. 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 This is a stork. 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 This is a weaver bird. Weaver. Weaver bird. This is a willy wagtail. Wagtail. Willy wagtail. This is a starling. 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 This is a skylark. 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 This is a manna. Myna. Manna. This is a hoatzin. 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 This is a sandpiper. 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 This is an ibis. 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 This is a kiwi. 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 This is a rooster. 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 This is a red whiskered bulbul. Redwhiskered Bulbul. Red whiskered bulbul.